In this episode of Sailing Wind Therapy, we sent our inverter out for repairs, dined at a floating restaurant in Grand Casse, attempted drunk yoga on the Spirit of St. Martin, and flew our parasailer to the U.S. Virgin Islands. We're here at Grand Anse, just on the east side of Marigot Bay in St. Martin. Anyway, we came in, it was raining, Captain was hungry, I was tired. We dropped the anchor, set, thought everything was fine. Got in the dinghy and went to breakfast. Took a long time because we got there right as they stopped serving breakfast, so we had to wait for lunch. Then we had to have ice cream. And we get back to the boat, and we noticed that our engine blowers are on. And as we got back to the boat, I thought, I don't remember being in this location. I thought we were much closer to another boat. And yeah, we get here and our engine blowers are on and our anchor alarm is blaring. So apparently while we were gone, some really good Samaritan saw that our anchor was dragging and they got on board, started our engines, and re-anchored us. So I don't know who you are, but today is March 18th, and if you are in Grand Casse and you re-anchored Wind Therapy today, we owe you a lot. We thank you very, very much. We are so happy. Hervé showed up to fix our inverter. If he can't fix it, he's gonna have to pull it out of the boat, take it with him. So here we go.
If you turn on, you can hear what it's. If you turn on, you can hear what it's doing.
That's Saul. Saul's the apprentice. Say hello. I'm gonna come in real quick. There's Hervé.
Hi.
That.
Oh, it's not happy.
And if you look at the color controller,
Sorry.
right now DC is like 800 watts, and if I try to turn any electric on, it pops. Everything pops.
Alright, well, let's turn it off and take it out.
So that is the inside of the inverter. We had no idea you could get to the inverter from there.
No, that was
We've been living on this boat for 3 years.
Our friend Todd said on Symphony, if you wedge your body in there, you can kind of get in, and he doesn't know about this.
Take a picture of that and show it to him. Wow. This is really, really a freaking small world. So this young man, right there, his name is Saul. You just met him. I'm sitting here looking at him. I'm like, God, you look familiar. You look familiar. Last year, when we were in Pigeon Island in Guadeloupe, we were snorkeling. And he was with his dad, and they tied up to the same mooring ball that we did at the same time to go snorkeling at Pigeon Island. It's the hair. It's totally the hair. What a small world.
Okay, lift it up a bit. Alright, rest it there. I'm coming down. Okay. Can you hold it like that? Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Well, I did just clean up this morning. Never lasts for long.
Up we go.
Serious yoga there, Vic.
And it goes. All the way. Maybe. Okay. Yep. Twist.
Oh my God, it looks like you've done this before.
They got those boat toes.
They got the boat toes?
They got the boat toes where the toes just grip onto the side of the boat. Everybody got those boat.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
We love you. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Keep you updated.
Let us know.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day. We'll see you again. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Hervé is awesome.
We decided to head over to Orient Beach for a day or two and enjoy a change of scenery. When you gotta go, you gotta go. The wind has now switched. It's like right out of the east, and it's getting stronger and stronger. So we're leaving. We picked up our anchor just a second ago from Orient Beach, and we're heading back to Grand Cause. I'm going to show you how we go out to eat at restaurants in the Caribbean. We are in Grand Cause, St. Martin.
St. Martin.
And we are going to go to that floating restaurant right over there where that guy is doing that weird thing. We're going to pick up Shane and Tanya first. My feet are burning. Let's go. Ow.
How was it?
I was really looking forward to a gluten-free pizza, but they don't have any. So they made me tuna. And it's delicious. The spirit of St. Martin was going out for a party, so we decided to join in the fun. What are you doing?
We're anchoring.
We're anchoring?
I'm supervising. Hey Howard, we're on this boat called the Spirit of St. Martin, and we anchored right over here. And this is the beach that we hung out for the day in St. Martin. Woo! And Adrian's drunk.
I'm really drunk.
She's really drunk.
Rolling on a river.
stuff always breaks on a boat, and our washing machine has now broken. We don't know why, but there's no power to it. It won't turn on. We did some testing of the wires from the circuit breaker, from the control panel to the machine, and it seems like the power's in that power cord right there, but the machine just won't turn on. It's locked. It's got clothes in it. I'm very thankful that we have MacGyver on board with us.
Yep, not sure I can MacGyver washing machine, but
We're gonna find out. Oh my God, Jeff's using a vacuum cleaner.
How do you even turn that thing on?
Oh my God.
Things you said never.
Wow. If you open that hatch cover, we'll get a little more light. Not a lot, because there's a cover on it. Oh, and I forgot there's an outside cover on it.
Okay. So basically,
There's screws underneath the front that you need to take out.
oh, I see 2 screws.
I think that's all there is.
Can I have the electric screwdriver?
It's right behind you in the drawer.
No, the little screwdriver.
Okay.
What?
Say that one more time. What did you just say?
Nothing.
Did you say she's right?
No.
You did. You said she's right. Wow. Nick and Kelly from Sailing Satori joined us for a week in St. Martin. We loved having them on board, and not just because Nick knows how to fix everything. To get to the electric in the washing machine, we need to take the Dometic cooler off the shelf and then take the shelf off. Everything is big and awkward, but that's boat life.
Yeah, it's plugged in.
What does it look like back there? So long story short, we unplugged the washing machine from the dedicated outlet and plugged it into this extension cord, and it worked. So there's something wrong with the outlet.
Yeah. So.
Okay, well, it's good to know that there's nothing wrong with the actual machine.
everyone's trying to get out.
Hervé fixed our inverter, yay! And it was time to leave St. Martin.
We're out. Good job, Cap.
This is SV Happy Together on their new Kinetic 54. Check out their YouTube channel.
It's been about 2 years since they've flown the called the Parasailer, big super spinnaker. So it should be fun. Guys, hot.
We arrived in St. John well after dark. Anchoring so late is never our first choice, but sometimes it's necessary. The next day we went out for lunch before heading to St. Thomas. We had to drop Nick and Kelly off so they could go home.
Right or wrong, nobody knows. Try taking the day. Warm water all around my toes. Find my own way. I learned to live. I learned to breathe.
Don't forget to join us next time. Nick comes back to help us begin our journey to Maine.
Oh, it's a video. Okay, sorry.
Hi, everybody.
Sorry, everybody. That was meant to be a picture.
Look, this is my Johnson wedding cup also.
It's got a name on it.
I don't have a name on it.
Whose name?
Jeff.
Who's Jeff?
Jeff Johnson. Oh.
Jeff Johnson. All right. Hey, we're going to take a picture now. See you later.